In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's quickly do the dry run of this code. So basically this is the dry run. Okay. So we have one result array. So I will call this stack as my result. Okay. Now we have intervals dot sort a comma b. So basically I'm sorting it according to their start time. So if I sort it, let me sort it. So if I sort it, which will come first? 1 comma 3 will come first, then 2 comma 5 will come first, then 4 comma 6 will come first, then 7 comma 8, and then 9 comma 12, and then 10 comma 15. Yeah. So this will be my array after sorting. Okay, so I will say sorted intervals. Now after this, what I will do, I will take current is equals to result. First of all, this is done, this is done. I will push one element. So I will push the first element, that is 1 comma 3, right? So I will push 1 comma 3 inside it. Once I pushed it, I will put it as current. Okay, so this is my peak element, basically current, and I will start from here when I is equals to 1. So let me write the indexes because this is inside one array, right? This is all inside an array. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. I am starting with I equals to 1, so that means I am starting from here. Okay, I will check is my current end time, current 1, is ith interval starting time, is it greater? So 3 is greater than 2, yes it is. So what I will do, I will come to this if condition and I will change result current interval 1 max of interval I comma 1, that means 5, and result current of 1, that is 3. So 5 and 3, whichever is maximum, will update, right? So here 5 is maximum, so it will update with 5. Once I have updated, what I will do, I will do I plus plus and my I pointer will be here. Again, I will check is my result current end item, that is 5, is greater than or equals to the 4. Yes, it is greater than. So what I will do, I will come here and I will update 5 with the ith interval max time, that is 6, and current one, that is 5. 6 and 5, which is maximum? 6. So I will update it with the 6. Okay. Now once I have done it, I will simply move ahead and I will check again this condition is the result of current 1, that is 6, is greater than equals to 7. No, it's not. So what I will do, I will come to else condition and I will push the ith interval. So I will push the ith interval 7 comma 8. And I will update the current will be result dot length minus 1. So current will now point to here. Once I have done it, what I will do, I will move ahead, right? I will move ahead again and I will check again is my result current one end time 8 is greater than equals to the ith interval start time. No, it's not greater, right? So what I will do, I will come to else condition and I will push that interval. So I will push this interval to 9 comma 12 and I will move ahead. My I pointer will move ahead. Okay, and my current will also change from current this to current dot length result dot length minus 1, so it will point to here. And again I will check is my result current one end time is greater than equals to start time. Yes, 12 is greater than 10. So what I will do, I will update it. Okay, how I will update it? So ith interval end time and current interval end time, which is maximum? Ith interval. So what I will do, I will update with this 15, right? I will update with the 15 and I will move ahead. So that's the end of the loop, right? And so how far how many intervals we got? 1 to 6, 7 to 8 and 9 to 15. What I will do, I will simply return this result. My final result will be something like this: 1 comma 6, 7 comma 8 and 9 comma 15. Yeah, that is my answer. That is my answer. Result. Okay. Yeah, that will be output. Again, here the time complexity, as we have discussed, we are taking time in sorting as well as filling, right? So it will be big of n log n, plus big O of n, right? If I am taking the maximum term only, so it will be n log n. That's what time complexity will be big O of n log n. And space complexity will be big O of n, because you are taking one extra space, this resultant error. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for dry run. In the next video, we'll check out one more problem on intervals. Okay. Till then, bye bye.